Difference between was and had been. Was and had been are both past tense forms of the verb to be, but they are used differently based on the time and context of the action. Understanding their use helps in speaking and writing English correctly. Was is the simple past tense and is used when talking about something that happened at a specific point in the past. For example, she was tired after work. It's used to describe a past state or action without needing to show how long it lasted or if it continued. Had been is the past perfect tense and is used when one past action happened before another past action. It often shows duration and is used to set the background of a story or event. For example, she had been working for hours before she took a break. It shows something started earlier and continued until another point in the past. In summary, was equals simple past, single point in the past, and had been equals past perfect, ongoing or earlier past action. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video.